3. How are you all? Ramzan Mubarak. And this is your mathematics class. Yesterday we were discussing the topic time, and in which we have started this conversion of hours and minutes. Alright, lesson number 3. And today I am going to start from the part 4 on page number 227. See, the clocks are given to you, and what you will do, a football match lasted for 105 minutes. Alright, what was the duration in hours and minutes? Now here you have to, whole minutes are given to you and you will convert into minutes and hours. And what I told you yesterday, 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. You must remember this point. 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. Then what they are showing you, 60 minutes plus 45 minutes. How 45 minutes? As you see, 7 clock, then 8 clock. Then how many minutes? As you know it, 5 table is going on. You know this thing, and when you are finishing here, it will become 45. 9 5s are 45. So how much? 1 hour and 45 minutes is the total duration. Now come to the next 5 point. A birthday party lasted for 185 minutes. What was the duration in hours and minutes? Again, as I told you, what you will do, 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes, 2 hours, 6 2s are 12, and 0 you will put 120, 3 hours, 180 minutes, 4 hours, 240 minutes, like this. In this way you have, just remember this thing. Then you can easily convert into hours and minutes. Now 180 minutes, how 180 minutes I am doing here, because 3 hours is equals to 180 minutes. So I am just putting 180 minutes here, and 5 is in another portion, because the total minutes are 185 when I am converting into in this way. So the 180 minutes will going to convert into 3 hours, alright, and 5 minutes as it is. So the duration will be 3 hours and 5 minutes, alright. Now come to the next one. A plane flight lasts for 250 minutes. What was the duration in hours and minutes? Again you have to find out the duration. So what you will do, 250 minutes, you will just separate it into minutes and hours like this, because 240 minutes will become 4 hours and it will become 10 minutes. Alright. Now in a same way, in 7 part you have to give in 200 minutes total, and again I am going to convert this into 180 minutes plus 20 minutes, because 180 minutes will convert it into 3 hours easily. I hope you understand. These are very simple questions, but you must remember these key points which are very important. How you are converting 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes, 2 hours, 120 minutes, then you can easily do it. Now come to the homework. Today's homework which I have given to you is related to the workbook on page number 71, in which again you have to just, which I have explained you, conversion of hours and minutes, and you will easily solve these in your workbook. Alright, we will meet inshallah in next class. Take care. Allah Hafiz.